Hi, I'm Dr. Aniruddha Bhuyan. I'm a vascular and endovascular surgeon. Let me talk to you about vascular and endovascular surgery. Vascular surgery is a branch which deals with arteries, that is the blood which goes into the leg, the veins in which the blood comes back from the leg into the heart, and the lymphatics are another channel of flow of the blood which takes the excess fluid into the heart back. Now, the main problem in arteries is gangrene, which is also called peripheral vascular disease, in which the blood supply to the leg or the hand or other parts of the body stops, and it results in death of the tissue, and that death is usually irreversible. That means you cannot reverse it back. This gangrene is usually treated with medications, with blood thinners, and the gangrene can also be treated with interventions in terms of angiogram, angioplasty, or even bypass. In terms of the veins, the most common problems are varicose veins, that is Saab jaisa nas, and also deep vein thrombosis, in which there is a block of the blood supply which goes back into the heart. These can be treated in terms of varicose veins with laser, glue, or radiofrequency ablation, and the deep venous thrombosis can be treated with compression in terms of lysis or breakdown of the clots which are there in the blood vessel. The other form of treatment which is usually done is in terms of lymphatics, where compression therapies or even venous or lymphatic bypasses can be done to reduce the swelling in the leg. The main treatment modalities of vascular and endovascular surgery is basically both open, that is in terms of vascular surgery, and endovascular, which is in terms of the peripheral interventions like angiogram, angioplasty, where a vascular and endovascular surgeon is able to do both, and hence we can do an end-to-end solution or give an end-to-end solution to any problem of gangrene or peripheral vascular disease. We also deal with problems with the abdominal vessels, with the vessels of the neck, with the vessels of the hand, and thus all vessels except the heart and the brain is covered in a vascular surgeon's purview. So in terms of when do you go to visit a vascular surgeon, if you have a peripheral vascular disease, or you have a diabetic foot infection, or varicose veins, or if you want a creation of a AV fistula, AV graft, or any dialysis access, if the patient is having an abdominal arterial aneurysm or ballooning of the abdominal blood vessel, when the patient is having a carotid block where it leads to a stroke, or even for minimally invasive interventions for AV malformations with sclerotherapy or embolizations, or even for vascular trauma, a vascular endovascular surgeon can be of help in such cases. Thank you very much. We are having a department of vascular surgery in Holy Spirit Hospital. Kindly visit. Thank you.